Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your WordPress theme brand settings step by step clearly. To authorize your WordPress theme brand settings, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section located in the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Themes to view your installed themes. Choose the theme you want to authorize by clicking on Customize next to it. In the Customizer panel, look for the Brand Settings option. Click on Brand Settings to access the authorization page. You will see fields for entering your brand's information such as logo, colors, and fonts. Begin by uploading your brand's logo by clicking the Upload button. Select your logo image from your files and click Open. Once the logo is uploaded, ensure it displays correctly in the Preview section. Next, modify the color scheme by selecting the colors that represent your brand. Click on the color fields to bring up the color picker and choose your desired hues. After selecting colors, check how they look in the live preview. Now move on to font settings by locating the Fonts section. Choose your preferred font style and size from the options available. Once satisfied with the font, review all settings for correctness. After reviewing, locate and click the Publish button at the top of the Customizer panel. Wait for the changes to be saved and published. Finally, visit your website to ensure the branding appears as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.